So the Herbalizer is a dry herb vaporizer. So you understand what a vaporizer is then, correct?
Yes.
Awesome. So what would you use this for?
Well, I heard you could vaporize cannabis.
So how do you normally consume cannabis?
Usually with a bong or a ceramic pipe.
Okay, so you're applying a flame to the plant. So, and you've heard that when you apply a flame, it's really too hot, and so a lot of what you want is wasted and goes up in smoke, right? So the big benefit of vaporization is that you have a more gentle process that creates a more complex and beneficial cannabis experience. So when we talk about the Herbalizer, it's all about controlling your experience with these extractions. We're trying to control discretion and temperature and time and consumption. So the first thing that you notice is that it's discreet. It doesn't look like things that are normally associated with cannabis.
So how does it work?
Well, to turn it on, to turn it on, just simply open the lid.
Okay, that sounds simple enough.
So as you can see, it has a very simple control panel. There's just a few buttons. There's aromatherapy, vapor therapy, and a fan assist. And the plus and minus on the control bar will control temperature or time depending on what mode you're in. So for cannabis, you're going to be using the bowl. Okay. And that bowl is going to be controlled by the vapor therapy mode. So just push the vapor therapy mode. So as you can see, as soon as I push the vapor therapy mode, the temperature is displayed on the screen.
Okay, so how do we know what temperature to vaporize cannabis?
Okay, that's a great question, and one that's very complicated, so we'll just do the short version.
Okay.
What you want from the cannabis plant is actually contained in a very narrow temperature range. The Herbalizer is broken into sections between uplifting, balanced, and intense.
Oh,
so
it has a guide.
It has a general guide depending on what you're vaporizing. Cannabis consumption is a very personal experience, and it's a very complicated one because the plant will affect everyone differently. So once you find what works for you, then you want to make sure that that temperature is recreating that experience. So a lot of effort went into making the Herbalizer be able to do just that.